Hello everyone, welcome to the World Drone Market channel. In today's video we'll be unboxing the SKYDROID GR02 Relay Receiver. Let's take a look at how this relay receiver, designed for complex UAV operations, helps deliver more stable, safer and longer-range flight control. In challenging scenarios such as mountainous terrain, beyond visual line-of-sight operations, and remote takeoff and landing, conventional telemetry links can easily be blocked by obstacles, resulting in communication loss. To address this issue, SKYDROID has introduced the all-new GR02 Relay Receiver. The SKYDROID GR02 measures 291mm, 145mm, 20mm, weighs 134.6 g, and 205.5 g. The receiver supports an input voltage of 7.2 V to 72 V via an XT30 power connector and operates within a temperature range of -10 degrees Celsius to 60 degrees Celsius. In terms of connectivity, the GR02 offers a wide range of interfaces. Including an Ethernet port, PWM outputs, a telemetry interface and an SBUS output, making it highly compatible with a variety of unmanned systems. It supports multiple flight controllers and UAV platforms, allowing users to easily integrate and expand the system for different application scenarios. The GR02 supports simultaneous image and telemetry reception on both the primary and secondary remote controllers. During flight, control can be switched manually with a button press, or automatically transferred to the backup controller if the communication link fails, enabling seamless relay control. Whether you're flying across mountains, performing BVLOS inspections, or conducting remote takeoff and landing missions, the GR02 significantly reduces the risk of communication loss while improving flight safety and mission continuity. It supports dual-band, dual-mode communication on 2.4 GHz and 5.8 GHz, and is compatible with the SKYDROID G series remote controllers, providing a more reliable video transmission and telemetry link for UAV operations. Inside the box you'll find SKYDROID GR02 Relay Receiver, RF coaxial cable, GR01 to Pixhawk telemetry cable, GR01 to PWM cable, power cable, for antennas. Before using the GR02, install the RF extension cable and secure the SMA connector to the enclosure by tightening the retaining nut. It is also recommended to mount the receiver on vibration-damping foam inside the aircraft and install the antennas externally to achieve better signal coverage and improved interference resistance. For long-range inspection, emergency response, mountain surveying, power line inspection and other industrial UAV applications, the GR02's dual-band communication and relay switching capabilities greatly enhance communication reliability in complex environments, making every flight safer and more dependable. That concludes today's unboxing of the SKYDROID GR02 Relay Receiver. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to see more UAV product reviews, wiring tutorials, flight tests, and drone application solutions, don't forget to subscribe to the World Drone Market channel. See you in the next video.